surprise secrets in an ordinary box. Look at this. You are not going to believe this. I've got something so amazing in this box. In fact, it's so special, I don't want to touch it with my bare hands. Are you ready for this? It's a human hand. Look at that. Can you believe it? Good, isn't it? And easy to make in 4 parts. A 4-part attack. Hang on, I'll give you a hand. You can shut up. First, you need to find a small box with a hinged lid, and it needs to be big enough to fit your hand inside. On the back of the box, on the bottom edge, draw a semicircle. Then, turn it upside down and draw another semicircle on the bottom of the box so that it joins up with the first semicircle. And then cut this section out. Whenever you want to cut a shape out of the middle of your artwork, push a hole with a sharp pencil into some modelling clay. This allows you to get your scissors in and make the cutting out easier. When you've cut it out, make sure your hand fits snugly inside. Now you can always trim the hole a bit if it's too small. Next, decorate your box. Now you could just paint it or put on a little detail first. You could cut curvy L shapes out of card to make corner brackets and just glue those on. Or how about a couple of hinges on the lid? And a newspaper twist stuck on a card base makes a good handle. And glue it on top of the lid like this. Then you can paint it. Now this one's going to be green with silver hinges and brackets. And maybe a bit on the handle there as well. So that's your box, and I've even added on some detail with black pen. Look at that, there's the keyhole and there's some screws in the corner there. So now you need to make your fake hand, and for that you're going to need a pair of rubber gloves. To make one of the rubber gloves look as though your hand is inside it, take a pipe cleaner and bend it in half. Then wrap it in a piece of newspaper to make a sort of thin sausage shape. And hold this roll in place with some tape. Make 5 in the same way. Then roll the glove back and stuff them into the fingers and thumb. Then fill out the rest of the hand by making a flat parcel of newspaper and sliding that in. And having those pipe cleaners in the fingers means that you can bend them into shape to make the hand look more natural. Look at that. So okay, you've got the box and the fake hand. Now you need to know the secret of the trick. Draw a line along the palm of your glove just below the thumb, but don't go too near the edge. Then carefully cut along it, and then reach inside and tape your newspaper fingers to the newspaper parcel to give them a bit more support. And when everything's firmly in place, you just put your hand inside the glove and poke it out through the hole. Now it's important that if you use a left glove, then you have to use your left hand or the trick won't work. Now place the box on top of your hand so that it fits through the hole that you cut, and the box rests on the palm of the glove. Look at that. It looks like it's your hand that's holding the box. Now you might need to look in a mirror and just adjust it to look right. And if you wear the other glove too, it looks more convincing. Then you're ready to fool your friends and give your family a shock. Would you like to look in the box? Ah! Try it yourself. A hand in a box.